In this video, we are going to find the general solution of a differential equation given by, we have the second order is equal to, the second derivative is equal to x cos x. Yeah, so d² dy dx² is equal to x cos x. Now, if you keenly see this, these are second order differential equation that follows a rule. And that rule says that if you have a second order, if you have an equation that contains a second order, a second derivative, with the first derivative and it is a component of x, it follows the path of dp dx, then p and x. Now, these are second order differential equations that reducible to first order. So they follow that rule. That is the general rule. Yeah. So therefore, our second derivative will become dp dx, yeah, then is equal to x cos x. Very beautiful. Yeah, I want you to stick with me to understand this very well in the cheapest way possible. Here we simplify math to the cheapest. So we have dp is equal to, we multiply dx the other side, so we have x cos x dx. So the next thing is to integrate on both sides. So to integrate on both sides, yeah, we have integral of dp is equal to integral x cos x dx. Good. Now, if you look at the right hand side, follows the integration by parts. So you're going to integrate it by parts using the method, using the formula of by parts. Therefore, we have on the left hand side, we have p is equal to we use the formula for integration by parts, uv minus integral of v du dx times dx. Now we ask ourselves, who is u, who is v? How do we ask ourselves such a question? We identify u and the dv dx using the islet. So use the islet synonym or islet formula. It's a simple abbreviation to help us identify which one is u. So our u is x, and then we have our dv dx is equal to cos x. Yeah, so therefore we get du dx. So du dx, yeah, du dx is going to equal to 1. So we have du dx as 1, and then v, the integral of cos, is sin x. So the integral of cos is sin x. Then we substitute everything back into our formula. Very interesting. Yeah, very interesting. If you are appreciating math and you're a math lover, so comment in the comment section, math lover. So we substitute, we shall have p is equal to x, that is our u, and then sin x, that is our v, minus the integral of sin x, that is our v, times du dx, which is 1, then dx. Yeah, we are yet to defeat the number here. So we have p, so we shall have p is equal to x sin x. When you integrate, so we are going to integrate sin x dx. We had to simplify that to purely have this. So when you integrate sin x, we shall have negative cos x. So we shall have p is equal to x sin x minus negative cos of x plus a constant of integration, which can be a, can be any letter, b, or any other letter that you want. Yeah, please subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me, and a lot to me and so many other students that access this channel. So you have x sine x, then plus cos x plus a. But remember, what was p? What is p? P is dy by dx. Don't forget that. We had it initially. So, but let me remind you that P is dy by dx. Don't forget that. So, therefore, we are going to rewrite it by saying that our dy by dx, our dy by dx is actually equal to x sine x plus cos x plus a. Good. The next thing is to separate variables and integrate. We separate variable and integrate. So when we separate variables and integrate, we shall have dy is equal to x sine x. We multiply dx to the right hand side. So we shall have x sine x dx plus cos x dx, then plus, very interesting, a dx. Good. So the next thing is to integrate. So to integrate on both sides. So to integrate on both sides, we shall have integral of dy is equal to integral of x sine x dx plus, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, cos x. Your subscription means a lot to me. Subscribing means a lot to me. So we have integral of a dx. It also motivates me to produce more videos of this nature, such that people continue to enjoy math without struggle. So the next thing is to integrate. So we have y is equal to, now this one, integral of x sine x dx, goes for by parts. So it is an integral by parts. So we use by parts. Then the rest are easy. So the rest are easy. We shall just directly get them. So we have y is equal to, y is equal to, now we first leave this alone. We shall come back for it. Integral of sine x dx. Then integral of cos x is known as sine x. Good. Very interesting. Plus the integral of a, we have ax. Then plus a constant of integration, for example, b. Good. Very interesting. Nice. Math is very nice. Then we are going to deal with this one now. So you are substituting the formula for by parts. uv minus integral v du dx times dx. So these ones we leave them. They are already done. We write them. Very nice. With your beautiful handwriting. So you write them and leave them. Good. Now this one we identify u. As we said, we use the eyelet synonym something, and then we identify u and identify the v dx. So therefore our u from there, so using the eyelet, using the eyelet, so our u will equal to x, and then our dv dx is sine x. Because algebraic comes faster than trigonometric. Algebraic comes faster than trigonometric in the arrangement. So we have y. So we shall have du dx. Let us first differentiate. Du dx is 1. And then everything, our v is equal to negative cos x. Good. So we substitute everything into our formula above. So substituting, so beautifully we are going to put it there. So therefore our y is equal to, our u is x and our v is negative cos x. So we shall have negative x cos x minus the integral of our v, which is negative cos x times 1 dx, dx. So we have our dx there. So plus sin x, the other ones that we did already, plus ax plus b. So plus ax plus b. So we simplify this and finally we defeat the number. Yeah. If you're enjoying and loving maths, comment in the comment section. This is very beautiful and easy. So negative x cos x plus the integral of cos of x dx, then plus sin x plus ax then plus b. Yeah, so when you integrate cos, you'll have your sine. And if you want to defeat a number, write step by step, you'll see it clearly. You still see numbers coming out. So negative x cos x plus sin x plus sin x still, then plus ax and then plus b. Yeah, when you add those two, we shall have 2 sin x. So therefore we end up having, we shall have y is equal to negative cos x, interesting, very nice, plus 2 sin x and then plus ax, good, and then plus a b. Yeah, defeated, number defeated. Yeah, comment a clap in the comment section if you have loved this. Clap because it is defeated. Very nice. It makes life very interesting if you defeat a number. So we have y is equal to 2 sin x minus x cos x and then plus ax. We have done some rearrangement to start with a positive and then plus a b. Number defeated. Comment in the comment section, defeated. Very nice. So please, I will not forget to remind you that you, the person watching my video, you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Yeah, consider subscribing. It means a lot to me and other people who come to this channel. Share it with your friend because sharing is caring. Yeah, and comment. I want to thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. We meet in the next. Thank you.